Cats, I am back with another video for you guys. This video is going to be just a quick DIY because I'm really into doing my nails right now. I've got neutral right now, but anyways, I'm going to make a quick intro for you guys just to let you know what I'm going to be doing. There's a new thing out, well, it's not really new, it's been out for a while. It's called jelly nails, and I have gone on Pinterest and other YouTube videos to try to figure out how to make jelly nails, and I prefer to do my nails at home instead of spending like $80 to do them, to have someone else do them. So I learned how to do them myself and went to Sally Beauty Supply to get all the supplies to do it myself. So I typically do my nails and my daughter's nails at home, and I try to keep up with the trends. So I learned how to do jelly nails and make your own jelly nails at home so you don't have to spend so much money on the OPI sheer tints, which I do have one of them and I will show you in the video. Anyways, get on to the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, and it will let you know when I upload new videos. See you later, kittens. Bye. Okay guys, so here are the supplies that you're gonna need for your gel nails. You're going to need a box of acrylic nails. I got these at Sally Beauty Supply. You are going to need clear coat or top coat. I got these at the Dollar Tree. And you're going to need an assortment or whatever color of gel polish that you want to use. This set I got at TJ Maxx for $3.99, and I actually got two because they were so cheap, and you know, it's such pretty colors. I'm trying to let you see all the different colors that came with it. So I have already a sheer polish, and this is OPI. It's their sheer polish. And this is what we're gonna go for it, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pick your color, and I am going to do purple. It's a very pretty color, that purple. And you're gonna take your clear polish, okay? You can grab your clear polish there. And what you're gonna do is, and I'm sorry, I have already made one because the other video I filmed, it totally messed up. So I'm just gonna do like a little quick tutorial with one that I've already made. But you're gonna take your normal polish and you're gonna take it out, and gently you're going to drip a couple of drops into the clear coat or the top coat. And then you're going to put the top back on the top coat, and you're just gonna shake it like crazy. And you're gonna do this several different times until you get the right consistency and the right color. And I'll show you one where I didn't shake it up well enough, and it came out kind of still like the nail polish. You could see that the nail polish was still thick, and it was really, really gummy. So you want to make sure you don't see any bubbles in it, and you don't want to see any polish that's not mixed up. So with jelly polish, you want to make sure that you do a couple of coats on. This is 2 coats with the purple that I made here. And you can make it darker the more coats that you put on after you make your jelly polish. But that's 2 coats with the purple, and I think I only put about 5 drops of the actual color purple in that because it is a dark color. So here are my other polishes that I made. I made yellow, and that was with this yellow color. I made this pretty blue color. I made that with kind of a darker blue here. And I made green. Now the green is like a highlighter yellowy green color. Be perfect for Halloween or just any time. And this is the color that I use. It's kind of a neon green. And I also made orange. And This is the orange that I used for this one. I didn't make a pink because I already have the OPI pink, but here is what the finished products look like. We have the orange. We have the blue. We have the green. See how it's like a highlighter green? And we have the yellow. Now the yellow is really sheer and I only did like 3 coats and I had to put a lot of the yellow into the clear coat because it is such a, you know, clear color, the yellow. And of course we have our beautiful purple color that we made. So, really cheap craft, really easy, better than spending like $6 on some OPI, sorry about that. And then you get, you know, some beautiful colors here. So, here they all are, yay. All right guys, so I hope you enjoyed my video. You have fun making it if you want to. It's a pretty cheap craft. I think I spent $12 maybe for 6 extra gel nail polishes. So I hope you enjoy. If you like this video, please hit that like button and please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. And I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks, kitty cats. See you soon.